Hello, Denver! I'm Sandra Fluke, and I'm here not only to introduce the president, but to talk to you about the clear choice that we face in this election. This is a choice that will affect each and every one of us, as well as our friends, our loved ones, and every woman in America. And that is why it's so personal for each of us. For me, it's been intensely personal. Because when I was publicly attacked for speaking out before members of a Congress, I became more aware than ever that this election will decide whether the rights that generations of women have fought for will be rolled back. And make no mistake about it, those rights can be rolled back, and in the blink of an eye. But thankfully, we have a president who has consistently proven that he will defend our rights, especially our right to quality, affordable health care. Because when it comes down to it, the vision behind President Obama's healthcare reforms is really quite simple. It's that our access to basic healthcare should never depend on where we go to school or where we work, and especially never what gender we are. And Obamacare is already working. It's ensuring that millions of young women across this country have access to the care we need. As of 1 week ago today, thanks to Obamacare, women are starting to get access to preventive care, like cancer screenings and well woman visits and contraception at no cost. And when Obamacare fully takes effect, we will never again be denied coverage because of a pre-existing condition, like having had a cesarean section. And never again will we pay more than men for the same insurance simply because we are women? In each of these ways, President Obama is moving us forward. But Mr. Romney is offering us only dangerous promises to take us backward. And I have to take him at his word, because he says that on day one, he's going to kill Obamacare dead. That would take away life-saving preventive care from millions of Americans. And that is an alarming lack of vision from someone who says that he wants to lead our country. But we've already seen what Mr. Romney's lack of leadership looks like. When I was verbally attacked earlier this year, the difference between President Obama and Mr. Romney became very clear. After those attacks, I was heartened by so many Americans, many of you, who reached out to me and supported me, no matter what anyone's politics were. And President Obama was one of us. He defended my right to speak without being attacked, and he condemned those hateful words. But Mr. Romney could only say that those weren't the words he would have chosen. Well, Mr. Romney, you're not going to be the candidate we choose. Because if Mr. Romney can't stand up to extreme voices in his own party, then we know he'll never stand up for us. And he won't defend the rights that generations of women have fought for. Because we must remember that even though it's 2012, we're still having the debates that we thought were won before I was even born. Debates about access to contraception and whether a woman has the right to make her own health care decisions. And we must remember that we have a candidate, President Obama, who understands the importance of women getting access to the care they need when they need it. And we must remember that we have another candidate, Mr. Romney, who wants to take all of that away. As we register to vote, as we walk into the polling place, as we cast our vote, we must remember, and we will remember. Because Denver, President Obama has had my back, he's had your back, he's had all of our backs, and now we're gonna have his.